The first step is to get rid of the parentheses. There is understood to be a positive 1 in front of the first expression, and then in front of the next one, there's also understood to be a positive 1, and the last one, there is a negative 1. So we're going to distribute this positive 1 by multiplying everything inside the parentheses by 1. We're using the distributive property. Of course, if you multiply by 1, you do not change anything. So it's going to be 8x squared minus 3x plus 3. And then multiply each one of these by positive 1. And that will give me plus 9x squared minus 3x plus 4. But here we have a negative 1. Negative 1 times 9x squared is a negative 9x squared. Negative 1 times 4 is a negative 4. Now what you want to do is collect like terms. 8x squared plus 9x squared minus 9x squared leaves 8x squared. Negative 3x minus 3x is negative 6x. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 minus 4 is a positive 3. So there's your answer. I apologize for the screaming in the background. I've got grandkids at my house today.